Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. If you had never solved a 3x3 Rubik's Cube, you might think it's really hard to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. But today I am going to show you how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. First we will just mix the cube. Okay, after mixing the cube, step 1 is to make the white pair edges. So the pair edges means this. There are 4 pair edges in a layer and it consists of 2 colors. And these are known as corners and these are centers. Okay, our first step is to find a pair edge with white. Here is a pair edge with white. Its top color is orange, so bring it to the correct place. Okay, next is the green. Okay, then the pink. And finally it's the blue. After you make this pair, just make sure it's in the correct order and the color matches. Our next step is to make the corners, the white corners. Okay, find a corner with white. Okay, here's white. There are 2 more colors. Find those colors also. It's blue and pink. So this corner should come here. Bring it to here. Okay, our next one is white, blue, orange. So here it should come here. White, blue, orange. Okay, after you make this, you might see that one layer is completed. So our second step is to make this layer, the second layer. Okay, you might see there is yellow color center on the top. Find a pair edge without a yellow color. Okay, here. You see it should come here because green is on here. See, now I'll show you how to bring that piece to here. So again, so it's orange. Okay, you know it should go to the left. So take it to the right, bring this up, return it, go back, push this, take this whole thing up and reverse it and place it properly. And you saw that this is being formed properly. Again, so it should go to the right. So push it to the left, bring this up, flip it down, resend it, and done. You saw this. Okay, it also should go to the right. Okay, after you made the second layer, make sure the colors are correct and make sure they are in the order. So okay, our third step is to make the third layer, the final and the most hardest layer. Okay, if you have a L shape like this, you might do this step. Okay, you found a line like this. If you didn't have a L shape and you have just one yellow color center, then do like this. Flip this whole thing up, flip, down, resend it and make the whole thing correct. Okay, you might see there is a L shape figure. So bring it like this and do the same one. Flip the whole layer up, push it down, resend it and again bring it properly. So again you might see there's a line. So make sure you keep it horizontally. Don't keep it vertically. If you do vertically, you again might obtain a yellow color center. So do the same. So okay, you made the yellow color plasma. So our next step is to match the colors. So you might see this is matching, but this and this are not. Find a pair edge with one color matching. Okay, the blue is matching. Do this step to match all the colors. Do it again. Okay, you saw that you obtained all the colors correctly. Next step is to make these 4 corners in the correct color order. So to bring like that, find a corner with the correct color order. Okay, there's no, so I'll just bring one. Okay, you saw this is in the correct order. So keep this, send this up, resend it up, send this, it's complete, so put it down and take this back, it's complete, put it down. So you might see this, all the corners are matching. So our last step is to make these corners without breaking any of this. So for that, keep the white layer on the top and do as follows. If the yellow color is not facing you, do like this. Up, flip, down, send it again, do the same. Okay, if it's flip again, you might do it more times. Okay, you made the 3 by 3 cube. Keep practicing to make more faster. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Okay guys, bye.